Are you finally ready to do something about your physique? Are you looking to achieve that beach body you've always wanted? If so, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end to find out how you can achieve an aesthetic physique. Then, after, it's time for you to take action. I'll be teaching everything I've learned from my fitness journey so far. I think my physique is pretty good, and it obviously has improved massively since I started training in July 2022, so let's just dive in. So, I was always skinny growing up, always wanted to be the guy with big arms and abs and everything. I'm sure every man deep down wants an aesthetic physique, and any man that says they don't, it's all cope. Everyone wants to look good, but unfortunately, not many people want to put the hard work in. I was like this until like over a year ago when I finally got in the gym. I've learned a lot about how to build an aesthetic physique since then. Now, it's ready for you to learn. So let's identify and rank the most aesthetic muscles. So the first one, of course, it's abs. Of course, everyone wants abs, everyone wants a six pack, and they're very easy to train as well. I'm not going to go on about it in this video too much because the most popular video on this channel is literally about how to get a six-pack as a beginner. So watch that to learn about how you can get abs after you watch this one. Also, don't only train abs, as it just doesn't look right if you have abs but you have no chest, or you have skinny arms, you have no shoulders. And if you're skinny, it is pretty easy to get abs. You just need to train them regularly and you'll just get there. You'll get them quite easily. The next muscle group is your delt, specifically your side delt. This part of the shoulder here. Good side delts make your body look more wide, so you look a lot bigger if you have good shoulders. Get bigger side delts by spamming side laterals. Surely you've heard, if you watch gym videos on TikTok or whatever, if you know about the gym or whatever, you've probably heard the phrase spam side laterals. If you haven't, then yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, spam side laterals. So I recommend you do lateral raises on the cables and dumbbells as well. So do 2 exercises. They recover pretty quickly as well, but you only need to do a lightweight with them and then you'll have a really good pump and you'll really feel it in your side delts. And personally, I fucking love training my side delts. It feels so good. Then for front delts, do dumbbell shoulder press, and for rear delts, do rear delt flies on the pec deck. Next is your arms. Everyone wants big arms. Part of your arms you might not know about though is your forearms. Big forearms make you look jacked. Doing hammer curls and wrist curls will grow your forearms. Obviously, biceps and triceps are pretty self-explanatory, but it's important for you to know, if you didn't know already, the triceps make up 66% of your upper arm. So don't only focus on biceps, like I used to do when I first started training. Next is chest, specifically your upper chest. Hit incline press every single chest day to develop this. A big chest, especially a big upper chest, will make your chest make you look massive. It will make you look strong, give you that masculine look. And especially if you're wearing a shirt and your chest is all puffed out, you'll look jacked. And last is legs and back. Obviously train these two. Obviously you want to train legs as well. Training legs is good for testosterone, but no one cares that much if you have nice quads, do they? Let's be real. The next part of this guide, you need a good diet. Don't just be that guy that dirty bulks on loads of sugar, as you'll gain a lot more fat than muscle if you do that. And we don't want that. Go to our website called TDEE Calculator, where you can find out how many calories you should be eating a day. Eat a lot of meat, fruit, veg, eggs, fish and rice, whole foods, etc. You can spend about 45 quid a week on food that will help you bulk up and gain muscle. And another thing, if you buy like mince as well, or yeah, anything like mince, and it's like you normally would buy the one that says like lean mince on it. This sounds pretty crazy, but buy the one with more fat in it. It's not fat that's bad for you. It's not fat that makes you obese. People get fat and obese from eating too much sugar. That is a healthy fat. You'll get your healthy fats in. If anything, it will make you stronger, and it's cheaper as well, so that's another good thing about it. Although there is nothing wrong with getting the lean mince if you want to get that, if you prefer the taste of it, but I'd recommend you go for the 20% fat one. You could spend about 45 quid a week on food that will help you bulk up and gain muscle. It's incredibly important to eat correctly, because if you don't, you won't achieve an aesthetic physique and you will feel shit, and you will look like shit. If you have a good diet, you will feel fantastic. Next, you need to make sure you are training hard. Don't train like a little bitch. Don't train like a pussy. The whole point of a nice physique is it's hard to get. You don't achieve this by training like a little bitch. You want to do as many reps as you can until you start struggling. Even when your muscles start burning, just keep going at it. Those are the reps that build your physique. Those are the reps that build muscle. If you are willing to train hard, you won't get that physique you've always dreamed of. Whether you train for strength, aesthetics, or a mix of both, you need to train hard. Lift the heaviest you can. Or last but not least, supplement. You don't need mass gainers and all that shit. Just creatine, whey protein, and multivitamins. It's better to get the unflavoured creatine and whey protein, as the flavourings are made with toxic chemicals like sweeteners and all that shit. Most essential one is definitely creatine though. I started taking creatine and instantly got stronger and bigger. It's an absolute game changer if you take 1 serving per day. And you could go to websites like MyProtein, or you could just go out. That's probably, you can get like creatine and whey protein in Sainsbury's or somewhere like that. But I'd recommend you just get it online. But that's the end of this one. If you did enjoy it and learned something, leave a like. And if you made it this far and you're not even subscribed yet, what are you doing? subscribe now, click on notifications so you do not miss another video like this one, and I'll see you lot in the next one.